How to look younger than your age. Looking and feeling young are two things that everyone desires. Starting early is crucial if you want to turn back the clock and appear a few years younger than your actual age. Admittedly, what you eat and how you live when you're young will determine how you look as you get older. The expression age is just a number is often used. However, we bet that if you asked a room full of adults if they wanted to know how to look younger, the majority would lift their hands. This video is for you if you're one of those people who would raise their arms high, like me. You must be wondering, is it really possible to get rid of dry, saggy skin, wrinkles, or go from looking older to looking younger in a short period of time? Yes, that's right. However, you must consider and put these suggestions into practice. Number 5. Drink plenty of water. What happens to a lush field of land if it is drought-stricken for an extended period of time? That's right. It takes on a desert-like appearance. All starts to dry up. What would you see if you looked around if that happened? The lush grass and plant life, as well as the trees and leaves, will be dry and brittle, changing color and dying. It's the same concept for our bodies if we don't drink enough water. Since our bodies are mainly made up of water and our skin is our largest organ, we must stay hydrated to prevent it being dry and dull, as well as wrinkled. Dehydration not only wrinkles and sags your face, but it also makes you look older. Per day, drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water. Water flushes toxins out of your bloodstream and maintains your vital organs healthy. Furthermore, staying hydrated will boost energy levels and combat cravings, making it easier to stick to your fitness goals and healthy eating habits. Are you guys drinking enough water daily? Let us know in the comment section below. Number 4. Eat greens and reds. If you think about it, the old adage, "you are what you eat," has some validity. Alternatively, this might say, "you look like what you eat." Fruits and vegetables boost the liver detoxification by alkalizing in the body. The state of your liver and other internal organs, according to Chinese medicine, reflects your overall health. What perfect way to detox than by eating organic and nutritious foods? Avocados, olives, sweet potatoes, guavas, green vegetables, and wheatgrass powder are only a few examples of foods that can make you look younger. So which greens and reds are your favorites? Number 3. No smoking. You must not start smoking if you don't already smoke, and if you do smoke, now's the time to stop. Smoking increases the risk of diseases such as lung and mouth cancer, as well as makes you feel older. In addition to degrading the quality of your life, smoking will shorten it. Tobacco use can also cause premature skin aging. Skin wrinkling and age spots are also one of the harmful effects of smoking, which are exacerbated by nicotine intake, which narrows blood vessels and reduces blood flow to the skin. It also reduces the amount of oxygen in the bones, which can lead to osteoporosis. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Fitness is an important factor in delaying the symptoms of aging. You must work out if you want to look younger by face. You don't have to be an athlete or a sports fan to take the advantages. Begin with small steps, such as walking every day and taking leisurely strolls. Sign up for a yoga or dance lesson and hang out with your peers. And if you have knee or joint problems, start with low-impact exercises and work your way up until your condition improves. According to research, exercising for at least 30 minutes 3 to 4 days a week will keep the body in shape. Number 1. Reduce stress. You'll feel happier and look better if you can reduce and control your stress while maintaining a positive attitude. Stress causes a surge of hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol to be released, which causes your heart to pump faster and your blood pressure to rise. Your muscles are forced to function harder than they should, leaving you exhausted, drained, and yes, older. We understand that everyone is depressed these days, but it has more to do with your lifestyle than behavior. Meditation activates the body's calming reflex and protects your brain from aging. Even if you only have 10 to 20 minutes of happy me time every day, it will make a huge difference in your stress levels. Bottom line, it is as vital to keep your mind young as it is to keep your body and skin safe. Maintaining a balanced social life and managing your stress levels will help you maintain a youthful mind. Meditation, spending more time with nature and your own self, and surrounding yourself with optimistic, inspiring people can all help you to stay young. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and ring the notification bell button for our latest video updates. We would love to hear your feedback. Let us know in the comments section. Which of these are you going to follow? Thank you for watching.